Chiliz, a power gamer engaging the game. Today, the web is a definitive world north of a mammoth trade of information happens on different servers, and the trading of data exclusively depends on the information introduced. In any case, on the off chance that the information source isn't veritable or the information isn't put away properly, the whole world could come to a fiasco. Similarly, the diversion areas, particularly esports and gaming, have gone through a change in outlook. On account of the approach of blockchain that a large number understood the inborn capability of calculations and cryptography, and how this could be bridled to bring the diversion area to in a state of harmony. Chiliz, the energetic group of followers. Another fan-following component arising on this scene of the Chiliz network is the local token CHZ, which empowers fans to trade Chiliz tokenized casting a ballot rights utilizing fan tokens. The token additionally gives admittance to the scrambled record of casting a ballot rights proprietorship. Fan token contribution (FTO) offers limited fan tokens. Avid supporters can uphold clubs like AC Milan, FC Barcelona, Paris Holy Saint-Germain, and Atletico Madrid through fan tokens, which are accessible on the fan commitment stage. Juventus Football Club was quick to send off a group token through the socios.com site. The site involves CHC tokens as a selective on-stage cash. From that point forward, there has been no thinking back, and a flood of thousands of such flexible groups have turned into an essential main impetus of this stage, including a diverse blend of sports like football, ball, and esports groups. Other than working together with the NBA group, the organization accomplices with Juventus and Paris Holy Saint-Germain. In the event that the organization keeps on developing like this, the cost examination in light of Chiliz's figure will be decidedly impacted, making it a wise venture. Chiliz, the specialized investigation. Chiliz was sent off in August 2019 and has been hyperactive from that point forward. In somewhere around 30 minutes of send-off, it surfaced on the trade with insight about achieving the degree of $0.0150, contrasted with its opponents like Bitcoin. In January 2020, it saw the most noteworthy heightening in cost to $0.009 for a solitary Chiliz. In any case, this pattern didn't keep going long and tumbled to the mark of $0.004 because of the pandemic effect. The Chiliz CHC cost spike that occurred in 2020 is related to the declaration made by the Chiliz undertaking to put $60 million in the tokenization of media, brands, and retail. During November 2020, Chiliz's cost arrived at a lower $0.010, and till January 2021, it just showed a negligible recuperation. In any case, the presentation of Chiliz toward the start of 2021 has been shockingly a gift for financial backers, as the value shot to a degree of $0.0340 by February 2021. From that point forward, there has been no thinking back for CHC United States dollar on the cost front alongside volume. Starting from the start of spring, the cost of Chiliz has reflected gigantic development, denoting another record-breaking high at the 89 cents mark. Notwithstanding, from that point onward, the token confronted a slight remedy. However, later, it held the 40 cents cost level. The CHC cost denoted a monstrous meeting and contacted $0.758 in April, yet later, it revised to the 21 cents mark. Then, at that point, the cost of Chiliz went on till the start of August 2021. In September, the CHC cost again raised a ruckus around town mark, yet later, it confronted a sharp decay and tumbled to 24 cents and went on sideways, exchanging till the finish of October. From that point forward, it denoted a critical recuperation, and in November, it arrived at a high of 55 cents. In any case, in the wake of hitting $0.5, according to negative signs, Chiliz has denoted a constant negative pattern, and right now, it exchanges around 14 cents. Content for the CHC gauge referenced on the site content depends on our expectation of the base cost, opposition level, greatest cost, and different pointers. We demand you do your own exploration proposing projected greatest cost, theorized value changes, and least cost, according to your assumptions for Chiliz's gauge. Specialists say on Chiliz, CHC, coin cost forecast uncovers the Chiliz crypto cost will be around 21 cents on December 2023. The hopeful gauge predicts a huge ascent with a future cost of 31 cents in 2024 and further going up to 91 cents in the following 5 years. As per Chiliz coin cost forecast, an extraordinary opportunity to put resources into Chiliz, as the cost might cross $0.4523 in the following 1 year. By 2027 the normal greatest cost might be around $2.577. According to Chiliz cost forecast, Chiliz cost will be $0.225 before the year is over, with a hopeful pattern posing a potential threat in the forthcoming few years between 34 cents $0.5. The future Chiliz gauge holds splendid for CHZ. It may not be an exaggeration to say it would surpass a bullish cost of 25 cents in 2024. This implies a huge increment is assessed, which is a brilliant contributing choice in the span of 1 year of its ascent. The worth of opposition levels R1, R2, and R3 are $0.1750, $0.1984, and $0.2217 separately. At the hour of compassing this specialized investigation in Chiliz gauge, the cost of Chiliz was 14 cents, with an exchanging volume of CHC is $211,421,290, and the market cap of Chiliz was $975,279,844, with a circling supply of 6,661,685,577 CHC. The ongoing all-time high is $0.8915. Chiliz value expectation 2023. CHC has laid out a quick, solid organization and works with the client experience of the item. These elements can assist the CHC with instituting gain a lot greater cost of 35 cents as the projected most extreme cost. On the off chance that the drive for practical crypto go on into 2023, the cost might try and see a worldview rush with the Chiliz cost conjecture, with the coin cost could arrive at a level over the base cost of 13 cents. Our Chiliz value forecasts depend on momentary specialized examination done by showcase specialists. Crypto market is viewed as unpredictable, with the high gamble included. Chiliz value expectation 2024. Many theories are proceeding for CHC coin cost expectation, particularly taking into account the innovative declarations and blasting areas of progress the corporate plans on. There are suppositions in light of market cost forecasts that the cost of Chiliz might arrive at a place of 35 cents. CHC conjecture predicts the most extreme cost and least cost to be $0.4 and $0.3 separately. Before you buy CHC, look for a well-qualified assessment to upgrade your system choices assessing market cap, projected Chiliz, CHC cost, opposition level, and so on, to limit the dangers implied in this unstable market. Chiliz value forecast 2025. According to Chiliz's cost forecast, in a drawn-out situation, the cost of Chiliz is set to hurry up with other digital forms of money to plainly show up at least cost of 33 cents and a greatest cost of 41 cents. Inside a couple of days of its entering 2025, CHC figure depicts a stunning idealism anticipated for the CHC cost, principally because of its predictable exhibition throughout the long term. Click here to become more about long-haul cryptographic money conjectures. Chiliz value forecast 2026. Violating all impediments north of 2026 would unquestionably give indications of